Copilot can read your tabs. Edge turns browsing into a work agent. Explain what Microsoft shipped in Edge, tab-wide reasoning plus journeys plus retire Copilot mode, what permissions actually mean, and a safe practical workflow for operators. Microsoft says Copilot in Edge can now reason across your open tabs with your permission. That's a big shift because most knowledge work is already happening in the browser: research, vendor comparisons, policy reading, and decision memos. Edge is trying to turn your tab chaos into a usable briefing. The question is, can you get the speed without losing trust? The phrase that matters is "with your permission." The promise is that Copilot can pull from the pages you already have open to compare details and answer questions without you copy-pasting between tabs. But that means the workflow isn't just ask a question. It's grant permission, scope the task, and then verify the answer against the tabs it used. Microsoft also says Journeys is now available on Edge Mobile, organizing your browsing history into topics with summaries and suggested next steps. That's basically turning browsing into a lightweight project manager. If you're doing a long procurement cycle or researching a market, Journeys can keep your thread alive. The risk is obvious: if it summarizes incorrectly, you might remember the summary instead of the source. Here's a safe operator workflow you can try today. 2 failure modes. 1. Permission drift: people click allow once and forget what the browser can read. 2. Summary confidence: Copilot can sound certain while blending information across tabs. Your defense is workflow design: always ask which tab, always quote, and keep a manual verification step for anything with money, security, or compliance attached. The business meaning is simple: the browser becomes a frontline agent. That can cut research time, improve consistency, and reduce context switching. But it also means your AI governance isn't just inside chat, it's inside your browser. If your company cares about data boundaries, the default browser configuration is now part of your AI policy. My take: tab-wide reasoning is a real workflow upgrade when you treat it like an analyst assistant. Use it to draft the comparison, then verify. If you treat it like truth, it becomes a foot gun. Question for you: would you trade a little privacy surface area for faster research if the browser makes permissions obvious and you keep a verification gate?